Today we are going to understand topic advertisement. As you all know very well that advertisement topic is related to writing skill, short composition. We have invitation, advertisement, notices and posters. Fine. And in board exams this topic covers 4 marks, and I know very well that 4 marks is important for you all. So let's start with the advertisement. What is an advertisement? Advertisement is a public announcement. Public announcement made through any popular medium. Suppose in case newspapers, you used to go through the newspaper, you can see advertisement in there, matrimonial, wanted bride, suitable match, fine. Then magazines, then radio, television. लड़कियों वाली क्रीम यूज करोगे तो ऐसी ही हालत होगी. क्या आपके टूथपेस्ट में नमक है? So we can say it commercial advertisement. But guys, we have classified advertisement in our syllabus. Fine. So let's start with our advertisement classified. Okay, so we have 2 types of advertisement, classified and commercial, and classified is in our syllabus. So first of all, understand in classified we have different columns like to let, accommodation. Suppose in case I would like to give my house on rent, then I'll write in classified column to let, available, flat, 2 BHK, okay, balconies, northeast facing. Then we have accommodation, then we have sale purchase, situation vacant, matrimonial. Suppose in case your father is searching a nice bridegroom, okay, bridegroom for your sister, then he will write what, that wanted a bridegroom for a beautiful girl. So then we have tours and travels. As you see in tours and travels, attractive packages available for Missouri, for Switzerland. Fine. So in this topic we all will understand that how to write classified advertisement. First of all, I would like to tell you that every topic is related to 4 mark. We have to write it in box. Every topic we have to write it in box. Fine. And in advertisement, basically what is my suggestion? मेरा suggestion ये है, we will not avoid using helping verb. Avoid using helping verb. Fine. So suppose in case you are giving a house on rent, so above all what you will mention? You will mention to let. Fine. Suppose in case you want an accommodation, you will write accommodation wanted. So now we will understand one by one how to write to let, how to write how to write advertisement related to sale and purchase. Suppose in case you would like to sell your car, fine. So you will write for sale, available a car, comma, company name, comma, color, fine, average, how many services are left. So you have to mention each and every detail. Suppose in case you are writing an advertisement for your sister, कि आपकी sister की marriage करवानी है, and you have to write that advertisement. So how will you write that advertisement? You will write matrimonial. In matrimonial column, in classified column, you will write suitable match, wanted for a beautiful girl, comma, age, caste, color, education, each and everything you have to mention over there. Means this classified advertisement we have to write in a box, okay, and all the necessary details are to be mentioned over there. Fine. And after details we have to means what, that make one thing in our mind very clear, that we will avoid using helping verb, and address, contact number is to be given in the advertisement, in classified advertisement. Fine. So this classified advertisement is you can say we have to write in 50 words. It is not lengthy, okay, and it is also what, that you can say it is also not costly. But these kinds of the advertisement, television ad, television ads and all. Okay, so we can say that Mountain Dew, डर के आगे जीते Mountain Dew, the boy jumps over there and catch the Mountain Dew. So ऐसे advertisement में it requires a lot of the money over there. Fine. And pamphlets, school pamphlets, schools and any company, any new company is releasing, is coming in the market, they will make pamphlets and all. So those kinds of the advertisement are the commercial advertisement. Fine. So now we will understand one by one how to make classified advertisement. So let's start with classified. In classified advertisement, today we will understand to let. What is to let? When we are going to write, when are we going to write to let? Actually, this is written by a person looking for tenants for his or her property. So we know very well nowadays seeker is also what is searching for so many tenants, so many flats are there. Question: you want to let out a flat, prepare an advertisement. But before writing answer, we have to make sure very well that we have to keep in our mind that we have to score 4 on marks. How? Format carries 1 mark, content carries 2 marks and expression carries 1 mark. So 4 marks. So how we are going to write? In format we have to write down to let. If you are not writing this to let, then you are not going to get 1 mark. Okay? Then we have to write down available. What? Available. Now what is available? Flat. Okay, for tenants, person looking for his or her property. So you would like to give your house on rent, a flat. Available a flat. 2 BHK, 3 BHK, 2 BHK. We can write down MIG, middle income group. Okay, so 2 BHK. Facing north, east, facing. Students understand very well that I am not using helping verb over here. Suppose in case if you are using helping verb, then I have already given you this suggestion that you should not use helping verb. Okay, but if you are using helping verb, there is no deduction on mark, but it gives a very wrong impression if you are using helping verb frequently in advertisement writing. So what is available? Available a flat. You will not write I am going to give my house on rent. No, you will not write like that way. Available a flat, 2 BHK, north-east facing. Okay, now from inside you have to come out. What are the facilities are in your house? Well furnished. Well furnished. Fine. Well furnished. Then 24 hours. Water and electricity. Fine. So 2 BHK, facing, well furnished, 24 hours, water and electricity. Now come out. What are other amenities near to your house? Near market, or you can write down that 1 kilometer metro, near mall, near hospital, near school, you can write down. Near market. Fine. Now after it, parking available. Nowadays we can see that parking is not available. Sometimes it is there that you are staying in a flat and you are going to give your house on rent. Then parking is not available always. Okay. So parking available. Rent, because you have already mentioned everything. So what is everything? Qualities. Only in advertisement we are going to write qualities. Suppose in case I am going to sell this chalk. ये chalk मुझे बेचना है. What I will write? For sale. A chalk. Easy to grip. Okay. And you can say waterproof. These are the qualities. Suppose in case you would like to sell your, you can say mobile. Okay. For sale, a mobile. Okay. An electronic, comma, mobile. Now you have to mention only qualities of the mobile. So here I have already mentioned the qualities. Nothing else is there. Available a flat, 2 BHK, quality, any facing, well furnished, 24 hours water and electricity, near market, means I have not written anything, just only qualities. What does this house consist and what does this house possess? I have written only that thing available. Now at last we will write rent. 10,000 per month. Now per month 10,000 per month, including or excluding water and electricity. Okay, so after writing this, what we will write? At last, after writing this, you will write what? At last means you will join us. At last you will write, first of all, including water and electricity. Then you will write, mention your, at last you will mention your contact, Mr. whatever the name is given in question, Mr. area, which area? C scheme, okay, and Vasant Vihar, New Delhi. Fine, and you can give your phone number over here, mobile. You can give your mobile number over here. आप अपना मोबाइल नंबर यहाँ लास्ट में दे सकते हैं, ठीक है. You will write your mobile number. Suppose in case 99. Fine. So this is the way how we are writing advertisement. Means what is the way? First of all, we have written to let, available, what is available, then qualities of the house, and at last we will write contact address and mobile. Suppose same thing, if I am going to sell my house, for sale, available, flat, 3 BHK, comma, then I'll write the other means qualities, occupied with electrical appliances. Fine. Then two parking, facing, each and everything I have to write, and at last I'll write contact and mobile. But in sale I'll not write rent, I'll write over there selling rupees. Fine. So tomorrow we are going to understand the classified advertisement related to matrimonial. Thank you, have a nice day, and I hope that you all will do your assignment very properly. Thank you.